So good morning students. Today we are going to start with the formats of application writing, notice writing, uh, as well as you can say article writing, right? So let us start first of all that for application writing. Okay. It's not working. Just wait a moment. No, for application writing, first of all, let us start. That is first of all, how we will start? The principal or the authority to whom you are going to write down, name of school, Swami Sant Das Public School, Jalandhar. You will write down, then leave line here, date, leave line, subject. Okay, what is the subject? If it's a complaint, if it's a request, you will mention accordingly, right? Then afterwards, respected ma'am, just raise up your hand so that I can ask you side by side. You can raise up your hands so that I can unmute you. Yes, Kritika. What we will write down at the starting, at the onset. Yes. Yes. Kritika, you can speak.
Ma'am, introduction to ourselves.
Okay, speak out the introduction. How you will speak, how you will write down. How you will write down.
With humble request, I, Rhythm Garg of class 8D from your reputed school, want to state that
Your voice is not so clear. Kritika, I'm unmuting you again and again. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. With humble regards, I, name of class dash, want to state that, and ma'am, we will explain the problem.
Yes. So with humble regards or with deep regards, I would like to, okay, with humble regards, I dash of dash class, okay, want to, then further your complaint or your request, whatever it is, okay. Now in para 2, that is the main para, here you will explain your problem in detail. Whatever the problem is, you will explain problem in detail. You can also give examples, okay. So here you will write down your problem in detail, right? After making a paragraph of writing your problem in detail, then what in para 3, that is the concluding para, what you will write down? Conclude. How you will conclude? How you will conclude?
I shall be
Hmm.
great thankful to you if you
Okay, I shall be highly grateful to you. I shall be highly thankful to you for solving the problem, for being, you can say for solving the problem, for providing the facility, whatever it is, you will mention here. Okay, clear? So in this manner, you will write down an application to the principal or to the higher authorities. It can be anyone. Okay, it can be of any type. So then afterwards, what you will write down here at the end? Yours, what? Yours,
sincerely,
yours sincerely. And then afterwards, your name will be written at the end. Okay. So mind the spellings of sincerely also. Clear? So this is how you will write down an application to the principal, right? Next, afterwards, I'm taking the format of notice writing. As I have told you that in the test, that in the notebooks, many students have done it wrong. So what you will do? Notice writing. So first of all, you will Make a
Name of
box.
the institution or organization.
Make a box. That is also very important. Okay. So first of all, name of the institution.
Organization.
Name,
Organization.
name of the
Yes.
institution or the organization who is going to issue the notice along with the name of the city and underline it. Okay. So then afterwards, leave line here. After leaving the line, write down the word notice and underline it corresponding to this. Here you can write down date. So what type of date you will write down? That is, it is in
11th May 2021.
2021. Okay, so this is the correct format of the date. Okay, so this is the right format of date. Then afterwards, leave line. Then afterwards, what you will write down?
Suitable heading
Heading.
/ caption.
Heading or title. Okay, suitable heading or title of the notice. Actually, it is heading, not title. Okay, which should be appropriate to that of what we are going to write in the notice. Means it is applicable to the content of the notice. What is the content? According to that, you have to write down. Then afterwards, here, how you will start? Okay.
Body. What, where, when.
Yes, body. In body, what
Add in
write down? You will write down
what,
what,
where, when.
What,
where,
when,
when is going to be organized and why also. Mention the reason also
Yeah.
why it is going to be organized. For example, give example. Suppose any camp is going to be organized. Okay, suppose then you will write down that suppose an adventurous camp for students. Okay, so what will be the heading? The heading will be adventurous camp. Okay, in which various kind of adventurous activities will be held. So an adventurous camp will be organized for classes 6 to 8. Okay, 6 to 8 in order to provide them some enjoyment in their daily routine and to make them more active. Okay, then afterwards the details are as under. The details are as under. Okay, so here when you will write
Date,
down the details,
time and venue.
date, time,
And venue.
where it is going to be held. So after writing, so then afterwards you will write down special instructions.
मैम
Yes.
डेट टाइम और वेन्यू को हमने बॉक्स में करना है.
Need not. If you have made, then it's fine. Otherwise, if you have not made, it's fine. Because being it is separately written, it is already demarcated. Okay.
Okay.
Then special instructions for what can be the special instructions for an adventurous camp? Yes.
And we have
any
to
type of
consult.
gadgets are
form.
not, are prohibited.
I'm not getting. Speak again.
We have to take sign from a consult form from parents.
Any kind of gadget
INP.
is prohibited.
Don't use these pronouns. So how? Because we are writing it for students. So what kind of instruction? First of all, what kind of
Any
clothes
kind
they will
of gadgets is prohibited.
students will wear their track pants, okay, on the day of the camp, and they will come without bags, with their lunch boxes or with their tiffin boxes along with the water bottle. Okay, right? So during the camp, refreshment will also be provided to the students, and the fee for the camp. What will be the fee? You will mention the fee also. The fee for the camp is supposed rupees 500 per head. Means 500 per student, right? Then those students who are interested or who want to participate in the camp or who want to take part in the camp, they will what they will do? They will submit their names, or they can submit their names to their class in charges by dash. Suppose by, for example, by 15/5/21. By 15, they have to give their names to their class in charges. Okay, and last line, what is the last line?
For more
For
information,
further
contact the
information,
undersigned.
contact the
For
undersigned.
further information, contact undersigned. Okay, for further
Undersigned.
information, contact Undersigned. And then
Undersigned.
afterwards, what we will write down?
Name and designation.
Name and designation. First of all, your name in what type of
हम
letters?
साइन नहीं करना है.
Your name in capital letters. Your name in running hand. I always tell that your signature is your this. Your name in running hand, and here designation. And here afterwards you will have
मैम
the
मैम जो आपने कॉपी में फॉर्मेट करवाया उसमें आपने वो साइन नहीं करवाए.
beta. This is what signatures means. Your name in running hand. Don't do signatures like this. No, I always tell in this manner, and I have told you at that manner also, right? Now suppose you have to write down a notice for a plantation drive to be held. Okay, so I'm giving you one heading, one notice to use, then how you will write down. Suppose you have to write down a notice here in your rough notebooks. Open up your rough notebooks in front of you. Write down a notice for a plantation drive to be organized in your school during Earth Day celebration. Draft a notice for the students, and you are secretary of Eco Club. You are secretary of Eco Club. Okay, so what will be the, how you will write down the notice? So what you will write down at the first for notice, how you will write down?
Swami Sandas Public School.
Swami Sandas
ABC.
Public School, Jalandhar. Then
Notice.
afterwards the word notice corresponds
Notice.
to,
मैम हम स्कूल का नाम
Then
कुछ
date.
और भी लिख सकते हैं लाइक
yes,
एबीसी पब्लिक
yes,
स्कूल.
you can. Then afterwards the line. So what will be the heading?
Plantation Drive.
प्लांटेशन ड्राइव.
Yes, it will be in capital letters. Okay, it will be plantation drive,
Drive.
and it will be in capital letters and underline it. Then afterwards,
The students
Yeah,
from classes 7 to 8th are
Eight.
informed that an Plantation Drive is to be organized in your school, in our school.
in the school, not your here. Okay.
Okay.
So how you will start? All the students of classes 6 to 10 are hereby informed, or you can also write down that a plantation drive is going to be organized in the school during Earth Day celebrations, and for the students of classes 6 to 10 to inculcate the sense of duty towards environment. Means why it is going to be organized. You will also mention there to inculcate the sense of duty towards our environment. So clear? Then afterwards detail where it is going to be held, date you will mention, time, which time you will feel it appropriate.
मैम 9 PM to 12 PM
Okay, suppose
or
9
11
AM
PM.
to 10 AM.
12 p.m.
Okay, whatever, 11 AM, whatever you want to write down, right? So then afterwards, venue,
School ground.
okay, venue, it can be a school ground, or because you have to plantation drive, you have to plant the trees. Okay, in the school
Garden.
garden, it can be in the school garden. Then afterwards details, what are extra special instructions you will write down.
Students have to bring their own students have to bring their own plants.
Yes, all
sapling,
the students will bring one plant each. Okay, that will be helpful for the environment to be planted in the school garden with their name and roll number written, okay, on the potted plant. Right, then
It can be any type of plant.
that is
हम dress code लिख सकते हैं.
yes, dress code. Yes,
Dress code
what
should
dress
be
code you would
green.
like to write?
Dress code should
Huh?
be green.
Which kind of dress?
Green.
Okay,
And plants है ना.
okay, students will come in their house uniform, okay, or with their caps. You can write down in this manner. Then you can also mention that because it is Earth Day celebration on that day, some speeches and debates will also be held on the topic of environment. Okay, and all the students who want to participate in the drive, what they will do, they will give their names. They may give their names. They may submit their names to their class in charges
Respective class teachers.
Okay, then afterwards, for further information, contact
Contact
undersigned.
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 Then afterwards, your name in capital letters, then your name in running hand, and then what will be the designation?
Secretary of Eco Club.
Secretary of Eco Club,
Secretary.
or only secretary. So here when you have written in the starting, okay, plantation drive. So mention there the Eco Club of the school is going to organize plantation drive in the school. Okay, or in the school premises. Premises means boundaries in the area of the school. So in this manner, you will write down notice. I hope that this is clear. Try to make the details in a separate way as I have told you, date, time, venue. This will make your notice more effective, as well as you can say complete with all the details. Otherwise, if you are writing in line, sometimes you forget writing about date, sometimes you forgetting about writing time, and sometimes you forget about writing about venue also, right? So in this manner, what you have to do, you have to write down the complete details. Okay, so I hope that it is clear. Next,
Yes.
okay. So next afterwards, we are going to discuss the format of article writing. So as I told you that what an article is actually a piece of writing. It's a long piece of writing, which is usually meant to give your viewpoints on a topic. Okay, it is mainly meant to be written in newspapers, in journals. Okay, so this is the reason why article is written. So for article writing, first of all, what is the format? Heading and or title, which is appropriate. It can be a phrase, it can be an idiom, or it can be
Idea.
it can be a small sentence also. Okay, it must be catchy, it must be attractive to attract the attention of the readers. Then in the byline, by, it is ABC, that is your name. Okay, so what is
By ABC.
your name? Then how to start, that is the first para, that is always the introduction one.
Introduction of the topic.
Yes, introduction of the
Topic sentences, step the context.
topic sentence. Okay, and set up the context in which you are going to write down an article. Okay,
Ma'am, we can also write we can also write quotation.
yes, you can start with the quotation also. Here you can write down any quote or quotation related to it that will make your article impressive. After writing this, you can say introduction, then we will come to the body of article.
Body of.
Okay, so body of article, it means that we here what we will do, we will expose the topic. Expose.
Put a question.
Okay, so what we will write down, we will make next para about what are the, for example, if it's a problem, then you will mention that what are the various reasons of the problem.
Reasons, causes of the problem.
Reasons of the problem, who is the culprit, why this is happening, and what are the reasons, what are the various reasons which are leading to this problem. So this you will mention here. Okay, so then if you are talking about any other thing, then you can also discuss about its advantages, disadvantages,
Effects, consequences.
effects, consequences. Okay, merits, demerits, you will explain, right? You can also make one more paragraph in which you will take examples of daily life.
Suggestion.
Take
Okay, ma'am.
examples of daily life, how it is affecting the people. Okay, you can use some data, you can use some statistics. Okay, whatever you want to use in order to make your topic realistic as well as more, you can say, appropriate to that of the actual situation. Then afterwards, if you are discussing all this, then what you will do, you will write down about some suggestions also. Okay, so you will come to write down about some suggestions. That means that what can be done. Okay, what can be done, your suggestions, your viewpoint. Then afterwards you will wind up your topic. Okay, so how you will wind up? Bringing into
Conclusion.
bringing into light all the main points, all the main points that you want to highlight. Bring out all the main points that you want to highlight here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then afterwards the last one you will make the conclusion. So what you will write down in case of conclusion? It means your viewpoint, okay, your comments or your suggestion. You can also make an appeal to the readers or make an appeal that it is high time now that we have to pay attention toward this problem, or otherwise this problem will turn or make the situation grim or will lead to, you can say, harsh as well as very, you can say, thought-provoking consequences. So it is high time now we have to pay attention towards this problem, right? So you will write down an article. I hope that everything is clear to you now. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, for example,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, if we discuss about the topic of health is wealth. Okay, what is health is wealth means? Health is the most important thing in life. So first of all, what will be the heading here?
Health.
Health is wealth. Okay, that I have already
Yes, ma'am.
mentioned that by your name, by Rhythm, by Kritika, by Manasvi, by Prerna, whatever it is. So introduction. So how you will start the introduction for health is wealth? Today's life is full of, you can say, hectic routine. Since morning till evening, what we are doing, since morning till evening, what we are doing, we are indulging ourselves in various kind of activities, leaving no space for ourselves. Okay, but this is again telling upon our health. Okay, and because of this reason, because of hectic routine, what we are feeling, what we are facing loss of health, and many people, they are suffering from various kind of health problems. Okay, but actually even wise, even saints and seers mean even wise men, they have always given importance to health more than wealth, because if health is lost, everything is lost. So health is the most important part of a human being, and one must take care of health. So in this manner an introduction is being set up, then afterwards we will expose the topic. In case of exposing the topic, what are the various reasons? Come up to various reasons for declining our health. First of all is our hectic routine that I have already mentioned. One of the main reason of a declining health day by day is the hectic routine and the stressful environment. In stressful environment we are living in, it is because of this stressful environment that the people are suffering from number of mental diseases, and they are not keeping a good mental health. But a sound body or a sound mind always dwells in a sound body. So we have to take care of our health as well as so we have to take care of our health and mind also. Then afterwards, another reason for this what can be is our diet, is the poor diet. Okay, as the modern and the young generation, it is more prone to junk food. In order to save time and because of their busy life, they are switching on to ready-made food rather than cooking the food at their own places. This is also leading to our, you can say, distorted lifestyle and ultimately leading to various health problems. For example, which health problems? For example, obesity they are suffering from. They are suffering from hypertension, high blood pressure. They are suffering from. Okay, then rise of cholesterol level, which is leading to again hypertension. Some various problems you can mention. Okay, so then afterwards for health and wealth, we don't write down any, you can say, advantages, disadvantages, but you can write down the consequences. If this kind of lifestyle will be persisted, then the day is not far away. Then the lifespan or the average lifespan of human beings will reduce only to just, you can say, few years only, as it has already been reduced to an average of 50 to 60 years. Okay, so now you will give the examples. Okay, give the examples of daily life. Many people they can be seen with the eye problems, with the eye defects, and they are also, you can say, they are also, you can say, prone to the obesity. Okay, because of this they are not able to enjoy their life. They are, you can say, they are, you can say, they are always, you can say, encircled in the, you can say, vicious circle of appointments of the doctors and ultimately not enjoying their lifestyle. Okay, so what suggestions you will give? Suggestions, for example, we need to do some exercise, set up a proper routine in the morning. Okay, spare some time for yourself to do yoga or do some, you can say, morning exercise. Then follow a healthy diet plan. Okay, include green vegetables, salads in your diet. But salads doesn't mean that the with the, you can say, with the dressings of the with the dressings of various sauces as well as mayonnaise. So this does not mean. Then what other thing, what can be done for a good health? Okay, follow disciplined as well as healthy lifestyle. Okay, strict routine of working hours. Okay, have proper sleep, have deep and proper sleep for regular hours. 6 to 7 hours or 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep is essential for a human mind. Then, okay, right, so in this manner you will write down the suggestions. So wind up your topic. So in the end I would like just to highlight this point, or I want to bring into notice the point that actually a healthy body is one of the most important part of life. And if a healthy body will enjoy all the you can say pleasures are given by nature to us, only then we will be able to enjoy the life to its fullest. So next we will conclude. So according to me, or it is high time now that we must pay attention to our lives also, because excess of everything is bad and excess of work is also telling upon our health. So it is a time that we have to pay attention to our personal lifestyle. Spare some personal time, spare some essential time for yourself so that you can take care of your health. Okay, so I hope that the topic of article writing is also clear to you. So today we have discussed 3 Ds writing skills, and tomorrow we will take the further topics. So I hope that it is clear to you. If you have any doubt now, I'm going to take your doubts.